Alright, everybody, welcome to part 4 of our Select Seacons review. And yeah, next up we have Tentakil. Tentakil shares the name, is same name in both East and West. However, as I said, it's like in the East, mindless drone. In the West, he has a personality. In the backstory, he's like the demolition expert of the crew. And also, apparently, like, he tries to act all cool and like lure you in with kindness, and then when you're not expecting it, bam, basically stabs you and kills you. So big time faker. So yeah, unlike the others, which were essentially retools of the more bestial, animalistic, it's like Power of the Primes, this one is a retool of Moonracer, that's the car, and you'll see the transformation style in a minute. So yeah, he's got all his weapons on, and they peg a lot more nicely on him. So, you have these two guns, which you can remove from now. Yeah, you can even angle them forward if you wish. And then on the back, it's like you have the, the same axe thing, and the hand, so yeah, just pegs is one of those ports there. So yeah, you get that out of the way. And yeah, he's a very interesting retool. So he's got interesting, these back tentacles, like you can like flare them out and go backwards and forwards, and then you have like these forward tentacles, which are based on the arms, and they can flop around. You have the legs go backwards and forward as well, and this entire head basically spins. Yeah, I like the colors on this face though. It's like, you have like the red lips, the teeth, and the black bass thing going, and the huge like squid octopus head thing. Yeah, very interesting. The fact that again that they went with the Moonracer mold. So anyway, let's get down to the transformation, which is quite interesting. So you come here and you like lift. It's like that face. Then you lift this one here. And you rotate, it's like the whole thing here, like so. That basically allows you to come over here. Wonder what that was. Oh wait. Yeah. Been a while. Alright. You come here, spin that. You spin it again. Yeah. Then you come here and like, these. Yeah, I remember now. Yes, this pegs over here. You put the feet back. And you spin this around. That forms the legs. Pop it open and pull down the feet, which have swivels. And then you have the hands here, are quite interesting. So you come around, like this front tentacle, basically you pull it out and it like folds in on itself, and that forms, it's like the it becomes like the back of the elbow, and yeah, just folds very nicely. Yeah, then you can like just take these and tentacles and put them to the back, and yep. There you go, there's the robot mode. Yeah. Again, a lot more pink and lighter blues and whites on him. And yeah, so he comes with his hand foot gun, which he has lots of ports and pegs in the back. So that's nice. Just pick one and call it a day. Of course, does make him a little back heavy. And then you can take the guns here, and again he has like ports. It's like inside it's like the legs as well. Again, most of these things are super tight, so it's like and you can just peg it there on the back of it if you want. But yeah, again, lots of options there. Even like just pegging my leg there on the legs again. And then, yeah, you just... I should really sand some of these down. And then you can also hold this melee weapon. Yeah. So there you go. There you have Tentakil. Again, back heavy. There you go. There you have Tentakil, and yeah, like you can get all these weapons on him. And again, this one, he's quite interesting because again, he's based more on a car, but you could never tell. It's like with the way it's like the whole transformation thing goes. He's quite interesting. Yeah. Later on, though, they would once again use this. It's like in the other Seacon, it's like set basically all in the white and gold and retooled to be more feminine looking as Scylla with the thinner legs as well. But anyway, yeah, that was part 4 with Tentakil. Stay tuned for the rest of the Seacons. Alright, later, bye.